Hello? Anyone here? Welcome to my little corner of life. I'm glad you stopped in. This channel will be about organizing the money, aka cash budgeting, and of course accountability, so we stay on track with this money organizing thing. Do you want to have funds when an annual bill comes due or when your car breaks down? Do you want to save for the future? I know I do. If you do, you're in the right place. Let's go. Hello there, I'm Nadine. I work full-time and I'm on a mission to pay off our mortgage early so I can retire on time. Maybe even a little early, since hubby is 8 years older than me. He already be retired. I bet you're saying, he retired while you still have a mortgage? Are you crazy? Maybe, but we're gonna make it work. I am determined. First, we've got to stop letting money leak out of our wallets. At the end of the month, we say to ourselves, where did all our money go? Can I get an amen? How am I going to do it? Shall we budget? By creating a budget plan each month, we'll have the freedom to spend our money, still enjoy everything in life, and continue to bless others. I also plan to add savings challenges and some games to make it fun. I've gathered a few things together, you'll see. I don't want to get bored and just quit. I want to keep myself engaged so I can keep going. And by sharing our journey, I'm hoping you feel inspired as you organize your money. I have discovered the budgeting community is a wonderful place to be. Everyone that I've come across so far is so helpful, and there are so many great ideas, and they share them for free. I plan to roll up my sleeves and do the same and give back and help others. So that's why I'm taking you along with me as I go step by step through the whole process, from setting up my binder and supplies. Here, like I said, I've gathered a few. How to play the games to keep it interesting, and the systems that I use to help me organize our money. All the things. If you're new to budgeting, you'll be able to follow right along and organize your own systems. So what I've put together so far is I have a calculator. You can buy them at the Dollar Tree for quite cheap. This I already had. I don't even know how long ago I got it, probably 20, 25 years ago. So that's going to be my cash tray. It's called a mini sorter if you want to look for it on Amazon. I did see one on Amazon that's very similar to this. I did get some markers from the Dollar Tree. These are Crayola. I had some pens and scissors. I even had a hole punch already. I found some dice in an old Yahtzee game. So I know there's like D20s, 20-sided die and 8-sided, 10-sided, whatnot. So if something calls for, say, a 20-sided die, I can just roll all three at one time. I could get as high as 18, close enough. And I know some folks even have color dot dies. So what I did was taking my marker and I'm coloring on the actual die. And I'm making my own color dot die, so I don't have to buy one. I also wonder if a Candyland game would have a color dot die in it. I don't know, it's been quite a long time since I played Candyland. My kids are now 21 and 19, so it's been a while for me. And I know you're probably saying, wait a minute, you said hubby's retired and you have 19 and 21-year-old? Yeah, we got started late. And ta-da, I have a color dot die. I already did the other sides with the other colors. So instant color dot die. I also had correction tape, and I also had double stick tape to make the envelopes that you get with challenges sometimes, where you cut it out and then you can cut it. And I had a little stapler and some sticky notes and a notepad in case I need to jot down notes. Also already had some envelopes. You could use those as well. Now this guy here, I made this guy. I love to crochet, and I decided this is going to be my little mascot, a little purple piggy bank that I crocheted. Don't know what the name will be yet, but that will come in time. But gonna stay right there and keep me company. All right. So I also went on Amazon and I bought myself a binder. We are at the point where we pay our credit cards off each month. We do use credit cards. I have a Discover card, and you can earn cash back. So we use our gas and groceries, use the credit card, and then pay it off each month. So I had bonus cash back. So I used that to order this. So it didn't cost me anything out of pocket. And it came with some this today marker and some budgeting sheets. It also came with some of the zipper money envelopes. But I didn't like the zipper envelopes, so I bought these tabbed dividers. There's the money envelope, but then it also has this slot on the front that I could stick the money challenges so that I'm not shoving them inside with the money. They're just handy dandy right here up front. Could also cut this off here and stick the money tracker in there if I wanted. So I got that. So that'll be my binder. And what else did I get? Oh, I also found this. This was something I had found at a yard sale, I think for $1.50. It was brand new, and I thought maybe someday I can use this. And it's a business card holder. And I think there were 33 sheets, because I remember thinking there'd be 99 slots that it could be used as a 100 envelope challenge or 99 envelope challenge. It did also have dividers and some stickers with it. So not sure if I'll use that, but I'll keep it handy and maybe I'll use that in the future. And I also got myself this envelope, which is an envelope, and it came with labels and also 4 tab dividers. So I was thinking I could use this for a few things that I want to actually use cash for. So I haven't really thought that out yet. Or it could also be my back and forth, to the bank. So not quite sure exactly how I'll use this yet, but I love the butterflies and they were purple. So I had to get it since I was spending bonus cash back money. So I decided to get this as well. So that's what I have to start out. Let me know in the comments down below what else you might be using. I know, like I said, a lot of these things I already had around my house, Post-it notes, paper clips. I even found this little Statue of Liberty charm. That's going to be my game piece. I know I already have Saveopoly downloaded to play, and this is going to be my game piece. Have paper clips. I also found a gold dollar I can use if I get any scratch offs. I don't know if I'll get any scratch offs at some point, but so that's what I gathered in order for me to start this budgeting process. I want to stay motivated and have tools that are going to make it easy. So my challenge for you is to go around your house if you're new to budgeting and find things that you could use for your budgeting journey. Gather them together, and perhaps you can make a trip to the Dollar Tree and see what else they might have that would help you on your budgeting journey. So first find things in your house and then see what you can find at the Dollar Tree. And then maybe you have some birthday money or Christmas money that you could spend on something if you don't want it to come out of your household budget. So I want to thank you for being here today. I do appreciate you spending time with me. The next step is going to be to start looking at our numbers. What are we actually spending? So it will be good to get a hold of your last bank statement, your last credit card statements, and take a look at them and categorize and see how much you're spending in each of the categories that you might have. I know I'm looking at things from the standpoint of what are we spending monthly for categories. So gas, groceries, those things can fluctuate. What monthly bills do you have? Look at things that you might pay quarterly or annually, like life insurance, car insurance, and then look at things that you might spend once in a great while, like car maintenance, oil changes, or if you have a breakdown, what would you use? You need to save up money in order to have something to pay for that. So start thinking about your different items that you spend money on, categorize them, and we'll take a look at that next time. So that's all I have for now. Remember, no matter what your journey looks like, I want to bring you hope. I want you to believe in yourself and know that you can do this. And if you found this video helpful, please please maybe leave me a comment. Like I said, let me know what you have found around your house that you can use on your budgeting journey as far as tools to keep yourself organized. And subscribe so that others who need to see it can find it. And I'll see you again soon. Until next time, shall we budget? You got this.